to Big Mouth Academy,
where learning is big fun.
Class is now in session.
Field trip! Time to have some fun. Let's all go bunny bowling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, let's do some math while we do some bunny bowling fun. Ready? We have 10 pins, right? Oh yeah! How many did we knock down? 1, 2, 3. So, we started with 10. We took away 3. Hooray! That leaves us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10 minus 3 equals 7.
That was fun!
Great job!
School's out.
A+ good time! Learning is big fun! So click here for some more colorful learning adventures. Or click here for the fun lessons we love best. Click here and subscribe to join Big Mouth Academy.